SIA POWERTRAIN 2024, for the first time we are in Lille. That's where all the automotive system linked to the electromobility with 5 gigafactories in the Hauts-de-France region. So we definitely wanted to be where things happen. We are in a critical moment regarding the change of mobility. There are doubts, uncertainties, international competition, but there is really the future of Europe that is at stake. The transformation we're on the bid of will really be a cooperation between all the players.
The aim of the conference is to bring together the world of powertrain players in the automotive field, companies from France, companies from the entire Europe, and companies from the entire world, so that we can bring together all of the knowledges you can find in Europe in one single conference.
Stellantis has to prepare the future. It's important for our competitors to know on the way that we are working on, which is completely different on the standard one. It's a new way to design the powertrains, as we have removed the charger, the inverter from front part of the car, and we integrate the features and not the components into the battery. So it's an important gap that we are making. It's a paradigm shift.
Eco-design can support the transformation of automotive industry because basically we need a tool to know where our development activities to target for. What we all try to do is to decarbonize the automotive industry, and if you're not doing eco-design, if you're not doing LCA, you're not able to exactly define where you are and which direction to take.
Powertrains are very much at the center of the attention because we are switching to electromobility, we are switching towards EV, but we are also speaking about circularity, about LCA, so we are really encompassing all the themes that make that the future will be sustainable.
One company on its own, regardless of its size, is not large enough to cover everything, because we need to go from sources of energy, the sources of materials, production of the parts, then the creation of the entire vehicles, then the use, and then the reuse in the end, plus the recycling.
The main challenge is really to reduce the CO2 footprint of the products and also to improve the repairability of this kind of product. We are looking at some solutions, for example, for the repairability of the connection of PCBs together. So we are proposing like interconnection solution that permits to disassemble and reassemble PCBs as we want. And for the CO2 footprint, we are investigating other alternatives with materials and with eco-design rules to have a new concept in this kind of product.
All the electrical batteries are bought in Asia, so we need to have this battery produced in France. We are in charge of the creation and the deployment of the first battery training center to create the skills needed by the gigafactories for electrical battery in France. To have 20,000 people recruited and trained, we need to anticipate today.
The opportunity to come to SIA POWERTRAIN is very interesting. It's very important as a student to know new technologies, every application of what we learn at school, and what will be the future of our jobs as engineers.
Cette année, j'ai trouvé le programme intéressant. On peut avoir une vision globale des tendances. Il y a un mix entre des conférences très pointues, très spécifiques, des conférences assez généralistes sur différentes technologies. Il y a aussi beaucoup l'importance du réseau sur les stands, avec les différents acteurs, avec les présentateurs. Toute cette partie de networking qui est aussi très importante.
This edition is quite unique. We have an indoor test circuit. Outside we have a hydrogen combustion truck, and we have now the speaker rooms and the exhibition all in one same location, so that it's easy to go from one to the other. So I think in terms of networking, this is absolutely great.
During these 2 days, everyone is talking to everyone, sharing exactly what the SIA is meant for. We are really here feeling the pulse of the history in the making.